Am I audible, बच्चा? Am I audible? Okay. So let's start. Where we were? Yes, we were here. Now let's do the exercise portion of page number 45. Come to page number 45, everyone. And let us do the exercise portion. Shreya, make your camera on, beta. Shreya Detroja, make your camera on. Shreya, beta, please make your camera on. Okay, well done. So now, let's start page number 45, exercise portion. Use feeling words to describe the feelings of the characters in the following situation. There are few characters given to us as per the situation, right? And what we have to do here is, we have to write it down how they are feeling as per the situation. For example, let's see the first one. Aladdin, when he entered the cave, जब अलादीन गुफा के अंदर आया, how he was feeling? Frightened, right? He was feeling frightened. उसको डर लग रहा था कि what will happen? So let us write it down. The first one, frightened. Everyone, write it down. I am only writing the answer. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. And then the second one is, beta, page number 45. Page 45, question number 1. Question number 1, page number 45. Now, let's see the next one. And next one is Aladdin, when he stuck inside the cave for 2 days. Without water, without food, he was feeling weak and hungry. So let's write it down. Hungry or weak. Then the third one. Aladdin, when he saw a jinn appearing from the lamp. Scared, he feels scared. कि ये क्या हो रहा है? He was feeling scared. And after that, the fourth one is Aladdin's mother. When Aladdin come back home after 2 days. Yes. Happy or overjoyed? Let's write it down. Overjoyed. Fifth one. The magician. The magician, when he failed to get the magic lamp. Furious. He was feeling furious. All right, learners. Every one of you is writing. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 for the same page, page number 45. Choose the words from the help of to describe how these people feel. Then complete the following sentences. And the first one is, see, sentences also given to us. And we need to search that how that person is feeling by seeing the picture, by observing the picture. And the picture says, I feel dash. There is no one to play with me. I feel lonely. Well done, Mahir. Well done, beta. I feel lonely. What is the spelling for lonely? Very good. L-O-N-E-L-Y. Well done. Okay. Now come to next question. The next question is, I like playing on the slide. And the boy is feeling very happy. So we will write happy. Now the third one. Well done, beta. Now the third one. Yippee, we are going to grandma's place. So we feel excited. And after that, fourth one. I told you that I don't watch horror movies. I feel so frightened. I am feeling scary. I'm feeling frightened. Everybody's work is done. Everybody's work is done with me. Write it down in the chat box whether your work is done or not. Use the chat box and please tell me. Okay, well done. Everyone's work is done. Now, turn the page. Come to page number 46. Everyone, turn the page and come to page number 46. In that page, we are going to see the exercise of degrees of comparison. I had already explained you degrees of comparison. We are having 3 degrees of comparison. Very good. The degrees of comparison are positive, comparative, and superlative. Right? What is positive degree of comparison? Where we do not compare noun with adjective. We simply write the simple form of the original form of adjective. And what is comparative degree? When we are comparing two persons, two things, or two places, that is comparative degree. We write ER. And superlative degree, when we compare more than two things, two person, place, or right, and we write ESP. Now, let's see. Complete the following table and let's complete it out. The first one is loud. We need to write ER for comparative degree and ESP for superlative degree. And don't forget the rules. Where there is a Y, we write IER and IESP. And where there is a consonant plus vowel, we double the letter. And when there is a single consonant, one syllable, we simply add ER and ESP. When there is E already given, we add R and SC. All the rules are completely known by everyone. So let's start the question number 1. And I'm erasing the board. It is page number 46. Question number 1. Page 46. Question number 1. And the question number 1 says, we are having 3 things. Right, beta? I am only writing ER and ESP wala column. Adjective is loud. So in ER and ESP, what we will write? Louder, loudest. Write it down with me, everybody. Now, let's see the second one. Short, shorter, shortest. And after this, the third one. Safer, safest. And then, fourth one. Dry. See here, Y is there. So what we will write? IER. Drier, driest. IER and IESP we are going to write. Fifth one, low. Lower, lowest. And the sixth one, large. E is already there. We will simply add R. For comparative and for superlative, we will add EST, LARGEST, largest. Now, the last one is fast. Faster, fastest. Right, everyone? Once your work is done, please let me know so that we can start question number 2. Done, beta? Everybody's work is done? Well done. Okay. Now let's see the next question. That is question number 2. Let us see the next question. That is question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to do, we have to complete the following sentence using one word from the given bracket. In the bracket, see, 3 words are given to us. And what we have to do, we have to choose one word as per the sentence. Right? So let's write it down, the first one. Rahul is a dash boy in the class. We are comparing Rahul amongst all the boys, all the girls. Not yes. We will use superlative degree. Question number 2, we will add superlative degree. How? Like this. NAUGHTIEST, not yes. In the second one, milk is dash than any other drink. Now we are comparing milk with any other drink. Tastier. We will write tastier. We are comparing 2 things. Milk with a drink. So we will write tastier. Then here also we are comparing 2 things, Rajasthan and Shimla. So we will write hotter. Fourth one, Radha is a dash girl. We are not comparing Radha with any other girl or any other person. So we will simply write tall. And then the fifth one is the pole star is the brightest star in the sky. We are comparing the star, pole star, with all the stars in the sky. So we will write brightest. Right, everyone? Okay, complete your work. I'm not erasing, Pallavi. Well done, Bhavika. Now, if we talk about Winnie, well done, Winnie. Now, if we talk about the speaking activity, narrating a story, this is your homework. You have to narrate your own story in your own words. You have to narrate your own story in your own words by looking at the picture and make interesting sentences, interesting stories with lots of climax, right? And lots of mystery, right? And then You have to narrate the story, make a video and share it with me. Helping hands are already given. Helping hands are already given. You simply have to make sentence and you have to narrate a story. Okay, everyone? So narrating a story is your homework. You can write it down homework over there. And don't forget to write it down the date. The date is 18/6/21. Alright, everyone? Don't forget to write it down the date. Vinny, flip your camera, beta. Vinny, flip your camera. Okay, well done. So, speaking activity is your homework, narrating a story. Am I clear? आपको कैसे narrate करना है? Once there was a brave soldier or warrior. Yes? Okay, Naksh understood. Then you have to say there was a monster who makes everyone fear, who creates trouble for everyone. Then if you see the second picture, in the second picture it has shown that the warrior, the soldier, go and fight with the monster. Then there comes the, yes, anyone is having any doubt? Okay, man. Rain is going on. There is a beautiful weather outside. Yes, even in school also it's beautiful weather. So everyone, your homework is speaking, narrating a story. Alright, everybody? And let me take your attendance. I'm taking your attendance. Write it down present in the chat box. Write it down present in the chat box. Nakshakara. Please use the chat box and let me know whether you are present or not. Very good, Naksh. Ayan Chandani is also present. Well done. Rishmi Barasra. Rishmi Barasra. Well done, Rishmi. Arni Babarwa. Jai Balodia. Pant Borania. Atharv Chauhan. Atharv Chauhan. Atharv Chauhan. Atharv is not present. Then Adya Dalsania. Adya Dalsania. Adya Dalsania. Not present. Ansh Darji. Very good, Ansh. Riya Detroja. Pallavi Giri. Bhavya Joshi. Jnani Karya. Vinny Karya. Ansh Kotia. Man Kotia. Samarth Mehta. Samarth Mehta. Samarth Mehta. Samarth is also not present. Achyut Padalia. Brinsi Patel. Kiona Patel. Manveer Singh Rana. Ishika Seresia. Amrita Shukla. Amrita Shukla. Bhavika Sinha. Mahil Gajjar. Mahil Gajjar. Well done, everyone. Then Jainam Thakur and Jai Thoria. Jainam Thakur and Jai Thoria. So I'm saying absentee's name. Atharv Chauhan. Adya Dalsania. Samarth Mehta is absent. And Reshma Tadiona is absent. So everyone, your homework is question number 3. Speaking activity, narrating a story. And in the next class, we are also having one more class at last class, right? That is at 11:50. So, in that class, we will do plug-in activity, writing portion, and the rainbow fairies. Alright, everyone? So, let's end our class here. Say thank you and leave the class. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everyone. Take care, everyone. Take care, everyone. All right. Yes, Minnie, I can see the beautiful weather outside. Okay, so let's start here.